How to change dictionary language in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change dictionary language in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system open Microsoft Excel. Now, click on File tab on the left corner of the Excel window. Here and you want to go down and select Options at the bottom on the left side. Now, click on the Proofing tab on the left side panel. In the front of Dictionary Language click on Drop-down menu. Here you can see a long list of languages menu will appear. Change it to whatever language you want to use in the dictionary languages. So this is how you can simply change dictionary languages in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye.